What did you draw, baby? Lizard? Star? Balloon? Huh? What did you draw? Ano yan? May star? May star dyan. Where's the star? Ayun, very good star nga. Ay, the lizard. Where's the lizard? Ayun. Messi, Messi. Messi. Messi the lizard. Oh, star. Where's the lizard? Oh, the balloon. Where's the balloon? Oy, hands yun na. Very good naman ang baby. Oh, here, baby, oh. Where's the star? The star. The star. Oh, where's the star? Bicycle. That's a bicycle. Where's the star? Where's the star here? Oh, the umbrella. The umbrella na lang. Wow. Ay, the ball. The ball. The ball. That's a star. Ball. Where's the ball? Nilito ka na. Opo. This one. This one. Come here. Where's the umbrella? Ay, that fish. 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 Where? The fish. The fish. Wow. Ay, the star. Ay, the balloon. Ay, the ball. 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 Where's the ball? Ball. Where's the ball? I think this is the ball. Ay, the eyes. The eyes. Oh, the triangle. Triangle. The shape. Wow, very good. Ay, the ball again. Where's the ball? Wow. Ay, the umbrella. Wow, you draw that, baby. Wow, very good naman. Very good talaga. Tanangin mo ko na. Markil, tanangin mo ko na saan yung isda.
Asan yung isda?
Fish.
Asan yung fish?
Oh, where's the fish, the baby? Wow. Ay, the star. The star. The star. Yun. Ay, the ball. Ay, the eyes. Eyes.
Asan yung eye?
Oh, where's the eyes, baby? Eyes daw.
Ear yan, ear. Ear.
Ay, that's a drawing, baby. It's a drawing. Where's the eyes? Ay, wow. Ay, the balloon. The balloon. Ayun. Ay, the triangle. Ay, the umbrella. Wow, very good.